On June 24, 2025, a Broward County deputy arrested a ticketed Spirit Airlines passenger at Fort Lauderdale Airport, charging her with felony trespassing on critical infrastructure.
Gates on it. You can ask somebody. Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what? I haven't done anything. I'm speaking to Spirit Airlines about my flight.
Okay.
About my flight.
It's gonna go two ways.
No, it's not gonna go any way because I haven't done anything violent. I haven't done anything. All I did was speak. All I did was speak.
I'm trying to be friendly.
Broward County Sheriff's Office. What did you come up here to do when I'm talking to Spirit Airlines? I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm not disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I'm disrupting anybody. I'm talking to her. I understand that. I'm trying to get some information. No, I'm getting clarification. Yes, okay, come over here when I'm getting clarification about my business matters. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't insulted her. I haven't cussed her. I haven't touched her. I haven't done anything. I can stay right here and talk about my flight. You coming over here and trying to intimidate me ain't gonna do anything because I haven't done anything illegal.
Do I look intimidating? You're the one that's looking intimidating.
I didn't do anything illegal, so you coming over here to come in my business has nothing to do anything.
Alright, so,
be a soul. Be a soul.
So she's done?
Be a soul.
Okay, so you gotta leave.
Okay.
No, I'm talking about my flight.
Listen.
I'm talking about my flight. I'm talking about my flight.
Alright.
No, don't touch my stuff.
Listen. We're gonna give you 10 seconds.
Let's go, please. Let's go, come on.
No, what you're not gonna do is touch me. I haven't done anything.
Let's go, come on, ma'am.
Have I done anything, sir? No, don't touch me. No, please, don't touch me. You cannot touch me.
You do that, it's gonna be a problem.
I'm not even touching you. I'm not doing anything.
You're gonna walk or not?
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Am I arrested? Am I being 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 arrested? No, but am I being arrested? But am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? This is against my law.
Just go ahead. Go ahead.
Am I being arrested?
Now you
Am
are.
I being arrested? Am I being arrested? For what? For what? For what? I don't want to go to jail. Am I being arrested? But all I did was talk to the Spirit Airlines. And I asked you not to forcibly touch me.
Okay. Well, that's good. Now we're done. All right. That's it. Simple.
That was simple.
So you're going to arrest me to talk to Spirit Airlines.
Yep.
I haven't forcibly done anything. I haven't touched anybody. I talked to Spirit Airlines. You're arresting me.
Well,
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You're going to forcibly arrest me.
yeah, for trespassing.
For trespassing where? I have a Spirit Airlines ticket.
No. Yeah.
I'm not being disorderly. I'm talking.
Florida Statute Section 812.135 targets unauthorized entrance. A passenger holding a valid ticket is an authorized entrant. Probable cause was absent from the outset. Under Graham v. Connor, force is assessed against severity of crime, immediate threat, and resistance. None of those factors justified escalation beyond verbal command here. The charge wasn't stated until nearly 3 minutes in a direct violation of Florida Statute 901.27, which requires the reason for arrest without unnecessary delay.
You're squeezing it. You're hurting me. He's 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 hurting me. I'm not pulling away from you. I just pull out. You're hurting me. Oh, Howell, you're hurting me. Howell, you're hurting me. If I think it works on me, it's on you. Howell, I'm not pulling away. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. Stop pulling my arm. You are. Stop.
All right, you got this.
Stop. Yeah, get this. You need to get your hands off me. Now, get your hands off me. And you're still squeezing my arm. Stop squeezing it. Stop squeezing my arm. You are squeezing it. Stop squeezing it.
You're getting
Videotaping. You're squeezing it. You are. Stop.
Stop.
Ebony here?
Get your hands. Please. He's hurting me. He's hurting me. You see how you're holding me loosely? He's tugging me on purpose. And then he's pulling my arm. Look how it's all skewed. It's hurting me.
Just explain to me so I know what.
She did tell you more.
Who?
Because she was the gate agent. I had to run from the flight
so
over there
what happened?
over here.
Just tell me what happened so I know.
Paola closed the door at 14. Okay? She walked in, and then as soon as she walked in, see this lady sprinting.
Okay.
And then she came to the counter. I'm like, ma'am, you're going to have to go to across from G10 to the rebook. Before I even get to finish my sentence, she started getting all rowdy. calling me names, telling me you're gonna get me on a flight, da 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 da. And then I called her, and then she could hear her screaming when she was coming down. She just kept getting hot like
Can
that.
I get a picture of your little thing? So basically, she came here, already had an attitude. Right?
Yeah, she was late.
She said she was at the wrong gate, whatever gate she was at.
Okay.
We don't have E13.
No, that's in Terminal 3.
No, we don't have E13.
Oh, no, not E13, but yeah, that's in Terminal 3.
Yeah, but I'm trying to explain to her, ma'am. Well, that's what the person said when I walked out of TSA.
No one said that.
No one said
So,
that.
okay, so, and then when I came to talk to her, she wanted to get all loud. So I already knew what was going to happen.
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's it.
All right.
But I needed her name because I wanted her to document. So before you come, that's what she was trying to give me. Because I said, can I see your boarding pass?
How long are you going to be here for?
Till 1 a.m. I got to this flight.
Oh, so you'll be here in 20 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get her name for you if you want to.
All right, thanks.
All right. No problem. I'm warning you right now. Listen, I'm not gonna talk to you. You kick my door again, I'm gonna press charges for messing up my vehicle. Yes, you do it again. You do it again. Okay, you do it again.
What's wrong with your vehicle?
You do it
Are you
again.
pressing charges against me? Yes or no?
Ma'am, you're going to jail. Yes, you're going to jail for trespassing. You're going to jail. That's it. Simple. I'm done. I'm done.
Trespassing.
Kick my door again. I'm a add charges. I'm a add charges.
Where did I trespass at?
I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
pressing charges. And where did I trespass at? Where am I trespassing, sir?
I'm done talking.
Are you still sensitive
Where
or
was I
did you want me to
trespassing that you're arresting me?
You know where.
Where was
You
I
know where.
trespassing? I don't know where I was
Okay.
trespassing.
All right, then.
I'm trying to get clarification.
All right, no problem.
You didn't even give me my Miranda rights when you arrested me.
Okay.
You didn't even give me my Miranda rights when you arrested me. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You didn't say you had a right to be silent. You arrested me with no Miranda rights. You arrested me with no justification on what you're arresting me for. You're taking me to jail with no clarification on why I'm being arrested. You're saying I'm trespassing someplace that I have a ticket to be. Always a black man. Always a black man. Always. I hate y'all.
Ma'am.
Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Dumb.
Okay, now I'm
Shut
not.
up.
Now I'm not talking.
Shut up, and shut up. I hate y'all. If it's not you guys beating on us, it's you guys doing some shit. You guys are always attacking us. Like, I hate black men. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate you guys so much. Like, if it was not one thing that a black man will do to a black woman, it's another thing. If it was a white girl, I swear to God you wouldn't have gone to this lane. But because I'm black, you want to make sure you don't throw the block at me. I hate y'all. Black men are the worst. Black men never protect
Yeah, 19K.
Black men are worst. I pray if you have daughters, black men them up too, like you are trying to me up now. You got kids, I pray they go through this shit.
And this is
Every
your
last
14 years
one.
that is this.
I hope they get all this shit over something minimal, if not worse. I pray that shit rains on your family's head.
14 of 10-year case number is 1741.
They shall never rest because of this shit here. I rain it on your head, your kid's head, your kid's head, your kid's head. I rain on the generations for you that they will never rest over this night. They will never rest. They will never rest. They will never see anything good in their life over this night.
The subject's Miranda claim doesn't hold on this record. Miranda applies before interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. No interrogation appears on camera. Her verbal challenges, including profanity, are constitutionally protected. City of Houston versus Hill is clear offensive speech toward police is not a criminal offense. Deputy C+. Mechanics were controlled. Legal foundation was not. A misapplied felony charge opens the door to suppression dismissal and Section 1983 civil liability. Subject B, right questions, right instincts, but physical non-compliance increases force applied. Compliance is not consent. It preserves legal options for court. Lesson charge selection must match statutory elements, not the moment's convenience. And invoking rights effectively means staying calm enough to use them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.